on the TTP civilians over there.
All right, Ajay, thank you so much for sharing all those details with us. Moving on. In Mumbai's Powai, the spirit of fitness and nation building came alive with the 13th Swami Vivekananda Run organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad. The event saw enthusiastic participation from more than 3,000 runners across 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers and 2.5 kilometers categories. BJP MP Jagdambika Pal and local MLA Dilip Lande flagged off the run. The event wasn't just about endurance. It carried forward the message of youth engagement, social awareness and Swami Vivekananda's vision of unity and nation building. Meanwhile, my colleague Uneza has filed a ground report and spoken to BJP MP Jagdambika Pal. Take a look.
Swami Vivekananda Run and Run for a Cause. We are at Powai right now. As we can see, this run started and every age of people are participating in this. And we'll try and talk to somebody. So Run for a Cause, it really excites you.
Yes, definitely, because this is our third time I'm running in here.
And how much kilometer you're running for?
2.5 because this is my kid with me this time, that's why. Otherwise I run for 5 kilometers.
So how do you see it as a social?
It's good. We can join many people with this. This is good cause for health also. So nice to have a run.
Ma'am, you are running for a cause. What excites you here?
I'm feeling so glad actually. Yes, it's mesmerizing atmosphere here.
What is your reaction?
My reaction is so good, but I am complete 2.5 kilometers. I am the member of Bharat Vikas Parishad. Okay, good.
Ma'am, which run are you running for?
Salam India.
So your reaction?
Thank you very much.
Your reaction?
Nice.
So as we can see, people are excited and running for different kilometer runs here, which really excites them. The main thing is here that they want to participate in such runs, not just to keep healthy, but to spread social awareness also. With camera person Sanjay Barod, Unai Zagaria for NewsX.
We are very happy what Swami Vivekananda during 1893 at Chicago gave a message to throughout the world, not only for Sanatan, for Hindutva, for Vedanta, for yoga also. Still, I think so. It has been inspired to youth of our country, and today we are all eyewitness of this Powai Chandwali, this run for Vivekananda run. I can't imagine, I tell you, right from 4 a.m. morning, thousands of women, girls, children, senior citizens with an enthusiastic mood and with full of energy, they are, I think so, participating in this Vivekananda run. I'm quite sure that today, now this Bharat Vikas Parishad has organized this Vivekananda run, but throughout the country, Namo Marathon is also going on because of the auspicious birthday of the Narendra Modi ji. Up to 2nd October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So now today, Namo Marathon is going throughout the country from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. The purpose of this marathon, either Vivekananda run for unity, either Namo Marathon, it is only inspired and it gives a message to the youth of our country that we should work united together, and whatever I think so, message has made by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because there are so many challenges which we are facing also, but we are very successfully, we are hopeful that we can come out and we will resolve only from the Swadeshi. And Prime Minister right from on 15th August from Lal Killa, he gave a message, now we should feel proud to be Indian, we should feel proud that we must buy only Swadeshi, and from 22nd, so relief in GST, I think so, in every walk of life, now the beneficiary, the common man, middleman, everybody will get a lot of relief, concessions and in expenditure. So I will appeal to my country people just to fulfill the dream of our Modi, because he has made a commitment to projected this country to the third world largest economy in 2027, and we are quite hopeful 2047 will become a Vishwaguru also and one of the top largest economy.
So truly, he has reached another level. India has reached under his leadership. So coming from GST, what do you have to say now? From tomorrow, the new GST reforms will be.
Jagdambika Pal is not saying, it is a fact. If you just go through the statement of IMF, World Bank, International Monetary Fund, World Bank. Now this is the data of the World Bank. Now India is one of the fastest growing economy at the rate of 7.5%, where China stands 4.5, America 4, most of the European countries below 3, some countries are facing minus also. You have seen even during COVID, for the first time, our economy only survived because even during COVID also, we have not only succeeded, Prime Minister now providing 5 kilo wheat and rice to every citizen of the country, 80 crore people. That's our economy is becoming strong. But he's not doing. I think so now if he has given a call to the people of this country, let us, we should buy only Swadeshi. Why? Because I think from last 10-20 years, people were, I think, so crazy for foreign brand. So why? If our brand is much better than any foreign brand, so why we should go for just to buy all these things? So we are quite sure what Modi ji has given a call also. I think so from 17th September to 2nd October. Now I am very thankful to Bharat Vikas Parishad ki they have organized this Vivekanand Run also, and the whole country is becoming witness for today Namo Marathon also.
So one last question: how do you react on Rahul Gandhi's allegation of vote chore?
I think so. He's only fooling. He's trying to only just confusion amongst the people. He's telling a lie. If he has any particular charges regarding whatever he's leveling charges on the election commission, commissioner, he has openly, categorically said that if you have any proof, please you come, I will take action. But now he's not fighting for vote chori. He's only fighting, he's only trying to protect Bangladeshi, Rohingya, foreigners, those who have become illegal voters, those who have become migrants, they must be deported. And now Prime Minister and our government has made a commitment that now no foreigners, now they have become a burden and liability on us because the income and exchequer is only for our country.
And also, what is your reaction on tariff?
I think so. You have seen Donald Trump has increased the tariff, but Prime Minister has not responded anything. He has only just met with his Council of Ministers. He has decided he definitely will go to some other country. There are 40 countries where they are interested and they stood with us also. And you have seen the eyewitness in SEO conference also where China, Russia and India stood. I think so. Donald Trump took a U-turn also. Now he has started saying maybe there is a difference of opinion between me and Modi, but apart from he is my good friend.
सामर्थ्य से भरी ये देवभूमि आपके लिए निवेश के बहुत सारे द्वार खोलने जा रही है।
उत्तराखंड में औद्योगिक विकास ने पकड़ी रफ्तार, निवेश के संकल्प धरातल पर हो रहे साकार। प्रधानमंत्री